So I have one more surprise for you guys, and these guys are technically rescues, so I took them in kind of as rescue ducks. Somebody bought them and couldn't keep them, so I took them in. They're little tractor. Oh my god! They're little tractor supply ducklings. They're a little hangry at me at the moment. Oh my god! I do not trust my hands in there. They're being a little crazy. Oh my god! These are beautiful savages. Oh my god! Okay, we're crazy. I had to go get more duck feed today, but these guys are crazy. They're going crazy, I tell you. Over there you go. Oh my god! Look at them. You'd think I'd starve them, but I promise you, I feed them like every hour. The way they looked at me. Don't you talk shit about me. Oh my god. Bro are crazy. My hat is all crooked. Why didn't nobody tell me? Oh, you got the water. And Russell's gonna give you some water. Alright, go ahead. Put the water in there. They were trying to eat me. Why? I don't know. Right, give me some water. Oh, or miss it. That's okay. There you go.
I did not miss it at all.
No, not at all. And we left them in our half full pool later, so maybe I'll put a clip in of that too. Yay! Oh my god, you're gonna maul my hat. Oh gosh. Anyway, there's the little ducklings. They're so cute, and they're a rescue animal, so they really don't have a use. Oh my god, look at my hair. They don't really have much other than they'll produce eggs if they're females on the line, but we just took them in to take them in, and we have another rescue animal coming in, but I'm going to do a whole separate video for her, so stay tuned for that. So look how cute he is. He's so adorable. I think Emmett was in some of last year's videos, so this is basically Emmett's replacement. I do want to get a permanent cow, but eventually, you know, money. So this is little baby Emmett. He's so cute. He's so cute. I love him. Oh. Sorry guys, I'm bleeding. So I'm gonna walk him. Here, I'll take a couple of photos of it too. Hold on, let me get him in a good position. You're pathetic. Oh, his hat. Wait, can we get pictures? I got a couple of photos from that. Yeah. that what I want his ears for.
Oh, his ears forward. There goes one of it, though.
You better be getting photos, buddy. With both, did you
Ow.
get me with both his ears? Oh, go.
I spammed. And it fell off right now.